I'm the most excited about what God does in the life of each one that comes, even the staff. It's been good.
I was a camper here, man, a decade ago. And I love coming out here. I love being a part of it and getting to be there for the kids the way that my counselors were there for me when I was here. Camp helped me, like, socially. I made a lot of good friends. It helped me spiritually. Absolutely the biggest thing. Every time I came here, it was just so evident that God was here and that, you know, just being in His presence and being able to fellowship, it was huge.
And you're good under pressure.
There's no question. Ohio would take everyone else even. Definitely Ohio. They got the Amish on that side. They do anything.
We the North! 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 We the North!
Are y'all scared?
No!
One, two, three.
Thank you so much for this wonderful day. Thank you for all the kids that want to go first in line, but will not be doing so. I pray you would bless the cooks and for their efforts all week, and that you would keep us all safe today, and that we all be drinking water, and you would be with us today. Amen. My whole dorm is sitting at the table on that side of us.
I like camp. It's pretty cool.
What's the most
Can you get out of here?
thing you like about camp?
Everything. I like everything.
This is my boy.
Camp is lit. We're all like family. We're all like family.
Yeah. I like it.
Oh, we're still young, Joe.
Very nervous. Okay. No pressure.
Nice. Are you supposed to be the cook here?
Yeah. I'm in charge of all these activities that I'm not good at, so that's great. My self-esteem has been plummeting so far. Good week.
Got a bunch of healthy snacks?
Yes. You know, healthy is, a loose term. It's all how you want to define it.
Staying healthy, Michael?
Oh yeah. Got my fruit snacks and my Slim Jims and my Gatorade. That's all I need.
I have been here for 4 years.
I have been here for 4 years too.
Every
years. I love it. It's the highlight of my year every year.
Yeah, definitely. It's really exciting to come back every year, and it's something that I think everyone looks forward to.
Mm-hmm.
Camp to me has really been a growing time and a growing time in my friendships, my relationship with God, and it's so cool how you don't see each other and then you come back each year and you're just one big family.
Mm-hmm.
pretty much love everything about camp, but probably just all of the friendships I make, how encouraging everyone is, and it's a really, really good environment, just really positive.
And it's kind of nice, like none of us have our phones, and so we're all just like hanging out together. And yeah, I think my favorite part is just getting to see everybody every day consecutively and get to know each other a lot better. And yeah.
Okay, guys, this is Casey, Maria, and Karina, and their 2 assistants, and we're thinking of going on the road. So if it's really good, let us know, and if we should stay home and keep our jobs, just give us a nice little golf clap. Thank you.
Going to church, it's not just about trying to be godly, it's not just being a Christian and correct the things, but it's actually about having a relationship with Jesus. That's what happens when you're alive.